This is Joe, Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. Good morning. It's about 10:30 in the morning and 40 degrees outside, and it's a sunny day, a good day to work outside. So today I'm putting on the shade cloth on the greenhouses. It's black poly with little holes in it to, block out some of the sun, so it won't be so hot in the greenhouse, because this side of the greenhouse gets up to 120 degrees. And then the other side of the greenhouse gets up to about 80 or 85 degrees. So there is a fluctuation, there is a difference. Alright, I finished putting the shade cloth on. And the one on the left side is 70% shade cloth. That means that it's blocking 70% of the sunlight from coming in the greenhouse, allowing in 30%, and the greenhouse temperature should lower. What I did was I put some on the side of the greenhouse, right here. Not all of it. I didn't want to cover the whole thing, but that's the side that gets very hot. And as you come around, you'll see it on the other side of the greenhouse. So right now I am satisfied with how it's working. Cosmic Gardens Farmstead.